You got some daffodils poking out of the ground. Beautiful sunny day. Hey Dad, where are you at? Where'd he go? Hey, the cow's over there. Maybe he's over here someplace. Hey, Molly, where's Dad?
Oh,
what are you doing there, Dad?
I'm just checking out my microbes. Gotta make sure they're doing their job. I think they're doing good. We're gonna get this garden growing good this year. The little microbes are really multiplying under here.
Great. What are you working on here? Oh, yeah,
it's compost. You know, we gotta get that biology going.
Yeah.
And it's cooking.
All right.
So, yeah.
Hi, nice to see you again on our channel. We are announcing a raffle. We're going to give away to 10 great subscribers free tomato seeds. So
giant tomato seeds.
Yeah. What we need you to do though is in the comment section of this video, leave us a comment, because we're not going to give away seeds to people that don't really care. So if you care and you really want to enter this raffle, then just leave us a comment down in the comment section below, and we'll go through those and pick 10 great subscribers and commenters and send seeds to you. So we're going to do that probably in the next month or something. We will be sending those out. We're really grateful for every one of you that is a subscriber to our channel here. We really value that support, and we really appreciate every one of you that leaves comments, that gives us thumbs ups and spreads the word. So we're working on a way that possibly we can sell you direct seeds and soil mixes. So that's pretty exciting. Maybe comment on that down in the section down below if you're excited about that. But that's something that we're working on, and hopefully have that rolled out in the future. So any other details about that, Dad?
Maybe we'll be supplying kelp and all the amendments, you know, like bone meal and all those different things, gypsum, and just lots of different things.
Yeah, coconut coir.
Yeah.
As well, possibly. So we're pretty excited. I think we can offer you guys a pretty good discount compared to what you can get on Amazon and even other major outlets online. So we'll see how it goes. Excited to launch that, but we'll make that announcement when we get there. So anyway, we really value your support. Thank you so much for watching this video and hopefully commenting so you can get some free tomato seeds. There will be, what variety, Dad?
There'll probably be a mixture of Big Zac and Domingo, and then probably something at least 8 pounds or so or more that they'll be getting seeds from.
I'm excited to see how many of you reply down there, and we will send you your seeds. So 10 fortunate, great subscribers will be getting some free seeds. How many seeds?
5 seeds per subscriber that we pick.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, I think Dad needs to get back to his composting.
Yeah.
Boy, it's hard to find them. You know, it's hard to. Where'd he go? Anyways, guys.
Oh, here I am again. Yeah, they're still doing okay down here. Okay. Keep a watch on them.
You know, it's kind of hard to get this guy out of the compost pile. I tell you. Who's gone again?
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
They're looking good. Yes, sir. Oh, anyway. He's still here. Oh, okay.
Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoy a little bit of humor here. Great to see you again, every one of you. Hey, if you like this video, again, you can leave just a comment even if you don't want tomato seeds, but we really encourage you to. Anyways, until the next one, remember, God is light and God is love.